Namaste everyone. You are watching Yoga with Tagore Anand Yogi. Today I'm going to teach you some yogic practice with the yoga wheel. So first please adopt with any comfortable posture. Place hands on your knees in Jana Mudra. Relax shoulder joints, facial muscles. Make sure your spine and the head erect. Then observe your breath. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Now one time Om chanting, inhale, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Make sure yourself is relaxed. Now, join your hands together. Rub your palms. Place your palm gently on your eyes. And just slowly open your eyes with your blinking. Then inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now bring the wheel in front to you. Now cross the hands between the wheel. Catch the wheel with the both hands. Both hands will be opposite side. Stretch the arm, grab it properly. Then inhale, bring hands over the head, stretch your arms up. Exhale, down, make stomach in. Make stomach in, touch the wheel on the floor. Inhale, slowly bring your arms up. Look between the wheels, stretch your arms and shoulders. Exhale, stomach in. Inhale, stretch your arms up and the shoulder joints. Exhale, make stomach in, round spine, touch into chest. Inhale, lift your chest up, maximum stretch your shoulder joints. Exhale, make stomach in, maximum. Inhale, stretch your arms and the shoulder joints maximum. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale, stomach in, maximum touch into chest. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, catch the wheel from the outside. Yes, from the down. Yes, the corner of the wheel. Then inhale, bring hands in front to your face. Shoulder parallel the floor. Then exhale, twist to the left side first. Inhale, center. Exhale, slowly twist to the right side. Look to the wheel. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale. Exhale to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring the wheel down. Maybe my wheel quite heavier, so you can choose the lightweight wheel. So please now bring the wheel to the right side, just equal to the hip joint. Then place your elbow on the floor. on the floor in Jana Mudra, left hand beside. Then inhale, both arms straight and look to the left side here. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right side. Exhale, center. Inhale, go to the right side again. Exhale, center. Inhale, properly stretch your arms. Exhale to hold. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come to center. Then exhale, change your side, okay? Bring the wheel to the left side. Again, place your arm on the wheel. Then inhale, make both arms straight, look to the right side. Exhale, center. Inhale, go to the left side. Exhale, come to center. Inhale, go to the left side once again. Exhale. One more. Inhale, just come to the center. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, hand down. You can count. Okay, it's up to you. What you want to hold 3 times, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds, or 15 seconds. You can choose a comfortable time. Then I change my side to show you the how to stretch the back and the shoulders now. So please, big thumb to catch the wheel, the fingers on your waist. Then make elbows close. Then inhale, bring the hands up, and then I arch your back. Then exhale, slowly bend forward, catch the wheel, try to touch forehead on the floor. Inhale, just bring your hands over the head, arch your back here. Exhale, slowly bend forward here from the floor. Inhale, then exhale, slowly arch your back, bring hands over the head. Yes, one more time. Inhale, and then exhale from the floor. Then inhale, and then exhale. Bring hands over the head, or we can hold here. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then if you want, you can move quite harder posture. Left to the right elbow, then slowly catch the wheel with the one hand, then the both hand. Make elbows close, makes a very good posture to opening the upper back and the shoulder joints and the shoulders. You can hold here, as you can see in the image. Then inhale to center, and then exhale. Make both hands straight here from the floor. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to center. One more. This posture will be quite difficult, so please try slowly. Inhale, cross legs still, make legs straight. Then exhale, arch back, bring hands over the head, then touch top of the head on the floor. Inhale to center, cross legs, and then exhale, slowly bend forward. Yes, your arms, your shoulders still parallel the floor, touch forehead on the floor also. Inhale, again bring the wheel back to the lower back, and then exhale, slowly, hands over the head, arch back, and then make your leg straight and stretched properly, as you can see. Then inhale to center, and then exhale. Once again, bend forward on the floor, step the back, hips remain the floor. Once again, inhale, bring the wheel back, and then exhale, slowly arch back, then hands over the head, top of head on the floor, then make legs straight. You can place on the floor and then make hands stretched maximum. You can hold here, legs apart, equal to mat. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, inhale to center and cross legs again, and then exhale, walk with the wheel, catch the wheel from the center, the shoulder, the arms parallel to floor, hold it or you can count here, then inhale to center. So like that, my friends, we can practice for warm up, for body warm up. So please remember to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Remember to press the bell icon also to get new notification from new video. Then sit straight, relax yourself. And thank you for watching to my video. Thank you so much.